Subscribe to Rajesh Javalkar and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to Javalkar's English Academy. Today we are going to learn present perfect tense, Purna Vartaman Kal. Is action completed recently at the time of speaking. बोलते समय क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है, पूर्ण है, क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है, चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, हम कर चुके हैं, वह कर चुकी है, वह कर चुका है, चुकी है, चुके। ऐसे जब वर्ड्स आते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पूर्ण वर्तमान काल माना जाता है। फर्स्ट पर्सन, आई हैव ईटन अ मैंगो। इसकी रचना सब्जेक्ट हैव प्लस V3 ईटन, वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म रहता है V3, ऑब्जेक्ट अ मैंगो, आई हैव ईटन अ मैंगो। हैव आई ईटन अ मैंगो? I haven't eaten a mango. Haven't I eaten a mango? Plural, we have eaten a mango. We have subject plus have V3 eaten, eaten, object mango. We have I और we को have लगता है। I have eaten a mango. We have eaten a mango. Have we eaten a mango? We haven't eaten a mango. Haven't we eaten a mango? Second person, you have eaten a mango. इसका स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट हैव प्लस V3 ईट ईटन, वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आता है ऑब्जेक्ट यू हैव ईटन अ मैंगो। हैव यू ईटन अ मैंगो? You have not eaten a mango. Haven't you eaten a mango? You have eaten a mango, plural. आप आम खा चुके हैं। You have eaten a mango. Subject have plus V3 object. Have you eaten a mango? You haven't eaten a mango. Haven't you eaten a mango? इस तरह से रचना रहती है। थर्ड पर्सन, he has eaten a mango. He has eaten a mango. It has eaten a mango. इसकी रचना he, she, it जब आते हैं थर्ड पर्सन तो उसको हैज लगता है हैज, he has, she has, it has eaten a mango, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। Has he eaten a mango? He hasn't eaten a mango. Hasn't he eaten a mango? They have eaten a mango. Subject have V3 plus object. Subject have V3 plus object. They have eaten a mango. वह आम खा चुके हैं। इसका स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव या हैज प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। अभी हम देखते हैं यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, हम देखते हैं यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस टू एक्सप्रेस a recently completed action with just हाल में ही पूरी हुई कार्य को व्यक्त करने के लिए। हाल में ही, अभी अभी हुई घटना। The train has just left the station. Just. It has just struck 7. Just. He has just gone out. Just. ऐसे वाक्यों में just का प्रयोग होता है। It has just struck 7. To express past actions which happened in the past, provided the action could be repeated in present. to express past action which happened in the past, provided the action could be repeated in the present. पिछले कार्यों को व्यक्त करने के लिए जिनका समय नहीं दिया गया है. Have you read the mother? समय नहीं दिया गया है. I have read the instruction. Have you had breakfast? To describe past events. When we think more of their effect in present than of the action. इससे पिछली घटनाओं का वर्णन करने के लिए जिसका परिणाम वर्तमान पर हुआ है यह बताने के लिए. Rohan has eaten all the biscuits. Rohan has eaten all the biscuits. इसका मतलब there aren't any left for you. कुछ भी बचा नहीं. All the biscuits. He has eaten all the biscuits. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Means I am free now. To denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present moment. भूत में कुछ समय से शुरू होने वाली और वर्तमान क्षण तक जारी रहने क्रिया दर्शाने के लिए. I have known him. I have known him. I have known him for long time. I have known him for long time. We have lived in this house since 2001. So here are uses of present perfect tense. आगे हम देखते हैं the following adverbs or adverb phrases can also be used with present perfect tense. Never ever is used in question only. So far, till, now, yet in negative and questions only. Already, today, this week, this month. All these phrases they are used in present perfect tense. Note: the present perfect tense is never used with adverb of past time, which would not say, for example, he has gone to Mumbai yesterday. In such cases, simple past tense should be used. He went to Mumbai yesterday. So here are uses of present perfect tense. आगे